Amwe mathukumi ova mwana ene nthi kuma musini wa Masako ni matwaisya miatianio ya muwo ngina miakone ya mbunge ya kaundi ya Masako ni kana kusukumia kuvitukithwa kwa budget ya Masako ya mwaka wa 2026 maine na nandiki mama uvo nza wa miako esu. Amwe mathukumi ni maweta kana kuselewa kuvitukithwa kwa budget isu kwende na kuothothe ya uvaluku kauntini ya Masako na ene nthi ova mwe na thukumi maendeye na kunyama yuni mumia witano kwe ala kana kwe amemba mbunge no kuvitukithia budget isu kwa mituke ni kana enenthi mathukumu undu vailite Karumunyokie na mauvo.
Matongo iwe ni mwene kivila wa chama cha Matakitali Boniface Mitambo ni waweta kana kuselewa kuvitukithwa kwa budget ni kumekete muisio ni enenthi ova mwana thukumiva kauntini ya Masako yuma yenda mausungi omani ki budget sumbikia ya vita esa kuvitukithwa kuma mwei wa 6 oyingi Mitambo ni waweta kitumi kinene cha thukumi na enenthi kutwaisya miatianio inzi ya imwenya kusukumia kuvitukithwa kwa budget ni kana mwene nthi atone kukwata uthukumi ngalikoni sikivathukanyo sivo cia uiti na masomo.
Our disappointment is because this budget was supposed to be debated and also be approved by 30th of July by the County Assembly. But up to now, when we are talking about 3rd of August, this budget for Machakos County has not yet been able to be passed. And this is the reason why we have been able to walk, we have been able to leave our places of work, so that we can be able to come to the County Assembly and be able to get answers why this delay is continued. Because we know once the County Assembly passes the budget is when the executive can be able to start utilizing the funds so that they can be able to fund the Department of Health, they can be able to provide the medical supplies, they can also be able to pay the salaries, they can also be able to pay the loans for these comrades who have been able to gather here.
Na Ruth John ula ni mwene kivila wa Machakos County Workers Union ni wa makuli ya memba mambunge suma vitukithia budget yokwa mituki na umya ukanyo kula kuya msia wa ward ya Kalama Boniface Maeke aike kumaumanga thukumi ma county ya Masako okavindani Ruth ni waweta ithe wa budget ye vitukithio kwa mituki enenthi ni mekuosa matambia ma kumatembelea memba mambunge sume sieni kwa kukulia kisio nunu ni maende na kuumia vanene.
Comrade power! Power! Shiliwa ona mwebitha mwikungelo bebieni mutembelea kiwe ya misieni kwenu kethani musala itiketha ato ilatia kwenu tenda uiti itiketha ato ilatia kwenu na twina womo nono ndwitonie mweshiliwa Maeke uyasasia nuko tonia aitwenda ato kwithieva ato kutembelea kiwe kwa uni twambisi otembea misieni kwenu athukumi ni mathinite loans loans yi live athukumi mekete CRB na ta mukulia tunatweva mwitunenge pesa tutiwe tutungeka okwitukula kwi executive na tuye executive ibetangeika ono kauti wenyu wa muthukumi na assembly
iwa thukumia ova mwena enenthi ni manengane valua wa kwisovana kana kukulia kuvitukithwa kwa budget ya Masako kwa mituki kula kwi clerk wa mbunge isu na menda matambia ma mituki moso ni kana enenthi meke kunyama nundu wa kukosa mathukumi kuma miveani yikivathukonya ya serikali ya county ya Masako. Ndili vote ya vilingi wa mauvo kumavahamu sieni wa Masako ni Karo wa Munyokie.